Dayton Audio has just released 3 incredible hybrid tube amplifiers that will surely impress you. Let's start with the HTA20. Perfect for college dorms or bedrooms, this elegant low-profile design and amber-toned tubes create a warm and inviting atmosphere while providing exceptional sound quality. Plus, with the sub-out feature, you can add low end to your music that will really get you grooving. If you prefer to listen in private, the quick and easy headphone connection is perfect for you. But the HTA20 has even more to offer. It also includes a built-in USB DAC that allows you to easily connect your computer audio to your external speakers via Bluetooth 5.0 or USB. Just scroll over to the Bluetooth and connect for an immediate audio quality boost for your laptop. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for your music needs. If you're looking for something with more power, check out the HTA100. This amplifier has all the features of the 20-watt model and more. With 100 watts, it delivers even more powerful sound that's perfect for larger living rooms and listening spaces. Plus, the backlit VU meters make it a striking centerpiece in any room. The HTA100 offers more connectivity options as well. With buttons on the front, you can access all available sources, including Bluetooth, coaxial, optical digital inputs, as well as line and phono RCA inputs, which includes a preamp and ground hookup for turntables. You can also customize the output further with built-in tone knobs. But if you need even more power, this next model is the perfect choice. With double the power of the HTA100, the HTA200 is the biggest and baddest hybrid tube amplifier out there. It has all the features of the HTA100, plus a motorized volume knob that you can control using the included remote. Whether you need an amplifier for a small room or a large listening environment, we've got you covered. The 20-watt, 100-watt, and 200-watt versions of these amplifiers are available now. Don't wait any longer to upgrade your listening experience. Check them out today.